Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a most stunning mandala design for backhand. I hope you like this beautiful mandala design. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel and also share it to your family and friends. Till then, enjoy this beautiful video. Take care. Bye bye.